Namaste and hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful wall hanging or wall mat at home. You should definitely try this and you're gonna love this. Just see how beautiful it looks.
Hey, stop it!
Okay, so to make this wall hanging or wall mat you just need these newspapers. So before we start the video, make sure that you subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video you'll get notified. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So firstly we have to make paper rolls like this with this newspaper. You need 10 rolls like this of 30 centimeters. Now arrange these paper rolls like this and stick them together using hot glue or any PVA glue. Now take a paper cup like this and cut it into half, then stick a piece of cardboard to it like this. So now I'm going to paint this with black acrylic paint. You can use other colors if you like. Then paint these newspaper rolls with the same color and let it dry. Here I've added this extra roll to give strong support to the cup. Here I'm using this golden paint to decorate this wall mat, which will make it look more beautiful. So now we have to put these flowers or paper flowers in it. If you want to know how to make this, you can check my previous video or I will give link in the description. So do check out that video and your wall mat is ready to hang on your wall. For this one you need 12 pieces of 14 cm and 12 pieces of 28 cm. Now take two cardboards and cut them in circular shape with these measurements. Now take a colored paper and this side is 14 cm and this is 7.5 cm. Then fold them. You can use any color of paper that you like. Now draw like this and cut them in this shape. You will need 24 pieces of this. Now take another paper of 21 and 13 cm and fold them like this as I'm doing in the video. Now fold this paper into half and staple it. Now join these two sides and you will need two types of these half circles. Now stick them together and make a flower like this as I'm doing in the video. Now take this circle and start drawing lines like this. Now start sticking these paper rolls alternatively as I'm doing in the video. Now stick this red flower and the cardboards nicely like this. Now start painting it with black acrylic paint and stick these petals at the end of each roll. Now our second wall mat is ready to hang on your wall. For this one you need 3 different sizes of paper rolls. So 6 pieces of 14 cm and 12 pieces of 28 cm and 4 pieces of 45 cm. Now stick these paper rolls together like this. So this is how you have to stick them. Now arrange these paper rolls like this and stick them together using hot glue gun or PVA glue. From a cardboard I have cutted this small circle and going to stick these pistas over it like a flower like this, and in center you can put any beads that you have. Now paint it using black acrylic paint and let it dry. You will need 12 of this type of flowers. You can also use paper flowers and stick them in the joints like this. Now our third wall mat is also ready to be hanged on the walls of your room. If you want to hang them in your room, you will need this type of ribbon or any other type of rope that is available in your house. Just cut them into size which you want and just stick them to your wall mate using any type of tape available at your house, like this. And in case you don't want to use this type of ribbons to hang on your wall, you can also use double-sided tapes to stick them to your wall, and that will also look great. Now all our wall mates are ready to be hanged on the walls of your room. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like the video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel and let me know your views in the comment section. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and bye bye. You just need these newspapers. So without waiting, do try these wall mates. Look beautiful they are. See. Follow me on Instagram also. You can also follow me on Instagram. Share the video and you. I hope that you enjoyed the video.